Hi, I'm Dennis Callahan, owner and founder of Callahan Art Associates. We've been in this property about 3 years now. We handle some high-value works of art, and therefore we need to secure the premises. We discovered InVision Systems, who came in and provided us with an amazing solution and gave us a system that was very easy to use. I met with Roz initially. He came over to the property and did a walkthrough. We went over all the different needs that we had in terms of access control and cameras, locations, and the type of equipment that would be best suited for our facility. It's very important for me to be able to quickly and easily access the cameras and the alarm system and the audio video doorbells, which I can all do from my smartphone. InVision Systems is very responsive. Whenever we have a question or an issue, I'm able to either call Roz directly and ask him about it, or contact their office, and many times they can resolve this issue remotely, or if not, they will send out a technician immediately. I would recommend other businesses use InVision. In fact, I have recommended them to a couple of companies already. I'm very, very satisfied with the professional attitudes, the comprehensive understanding of their equipment, and the high level of service that they provide.